Hey, what's up, car lovers? Welcome back to Car Trend, where timeless design meets next-gen performance, and today we've got something legendary reborn. It's back, tougher, smarter, and more electrifying than ever. Say hello to the 2026 Ford F100 Pickup Truck, a modern reboot of one of the most iconic trucks in American history. Let's dive into everything this beast has to offer. Now, for those of you who remember the original F100, you know it was all about rugged simplicity, V8 power, and that classic boxy American style. Fast forward to 2026, Ford has managed to preserve that vintage soul, while injecting it with cutting-edge tech, all-electric performance, and a bold new design language. Let's kick things off with the exterior design. The 2026 Ford F100 pays homage to its roots with clean retro-inspired lines, a squared-off front end, and round LED headlights set inside a heritage-style grille. You've got bold F100 badging on the fenders and tailgate, giving it that nostalgic charm, but don't get it twisted, this is a future-ready truck. The body features lightweight aluminum panels, flush door handles, and aerodynamic touches throughout, making it both efficient and stylish. The truck rides on rugged 20-inch wheels with all-terrain tires, and ground clearance has been increased for weekend adventurers who want to hit the dirt without hesitation. Now under the hood, well, there isn't one. That's because the 2026 F100 is fully electric. That's right, Ford has taken its EV game to the next level by giving this classic a modern heart. You're looking at dual electric motors, all-wheel drive, and an estimated 450 horsepower with 775 pound-feet of instant torque. Translation: this truck is lightning fast off the line, with 0 to 60 times under 5 seconds, but also super quiet and incredibly smooth. And don't worry about range. The F100 is expected to offer up to 320 miles on a single charge, with fast charging that can get you from 15% to 80% in just about 35 minutes. Ford's charging network is expanding rapidly too, so finding a plug is easier than ever. Step inside and it's a beautiful blend of vintage charm and modern tech. You've got bench seating with contrast stitching that nods to the classic interiors, a massive 15.5-inch touchscreen with Sync 5, and a fully digital instrument cluster that adapts depending on your driving mode. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice controls, navigation, it's all here. There's also a panoramic glass roof, ambient lighting, and smart storage under the rear seats and in the front. Yes, since there's no engine, you get extra space in the front for tools, gear, or even groceries. Safety-wise, the 2026 F100 includes Ford's latest Copilot 360 suite, with features like adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, auto parking, lane centering, and more. It's one of the most advanced trucks out there, and it still honors the spirit of the classic Ford F100. Towing capacity is expected to hit around 8,000 pounds, with built-in trailer assist tech and multiple drive modes for towing, off-roading, or slippery conditions. Now pricing, while not officially confirmed, is rumored to start around $58,000, depending on trims and battery options. Yes, it's a premium price, but you're getting a premium, all-electric, retro-modern truck with real capability. So what do you think? Did Ford nail the comeback of the century with the 2026 F100, or would you rather stick with the F150 Lightning or a gas-powered classic? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to Car Trend, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive into the hottest rides from the past, present, and future. Thanks for watching, and remember, trends come and go, but legends get recharged. High voltage RV fire.